Good afternoon. My name is Haesun Kim, advisor of Gangnam Labor Law Firm. Today, with Labor Attorney Jung Bong-soo, we will cover the Article 74 of the Labor Standard Act, which is the protection of pregnant women. So these days, I think pregnant women are quite fragile, but there's a strong protection by the Labor Standard Act. So could you explain about the terminology?
Okay, hello, how are you today? This is Bong-soo Jung, Korean Labor Attorney. Yes, we have a very strong law to protect the pregnant woman and their motherhood period. So we call it maternity leave. Maternity leave means when pregnant women take time to deliver their baby. During such a period should be protected, very special attention. So according to the Article 74 of the Labor Standard Act, so the pregnant woman take maternity leave, then employee should provide 90 days paid leave. I mean 90 days protection leave. So first 60 days is paid. The remaining 30 days are unpaid, but they are subsidized by the employment insurance. Also, small, medium-sized company, they are even subsidized the first 60 days. So, yeah. Also, this maternity leave, like 90 days, so among 90 days, 45 days after delivery of a baby should be provided, because taking care of their body after giving birth is very important. Even before the child delivery, so if employee want to take child care leave earlier stage, so they can take such a child early the maternity leave based on some medical some certificate, like they had experience for miscarriage, or they are very old to deliver baby. So in that case, based on medical certificate, they can ask for like maternity leave early, like from 3 months to any time during the pregnant period. Then employer should provide as the maternity leave. So even the maternity leave can be granted to those the female employee who experienced some miscarriage or stillborn birth. So according to the number of pregnant, so this paid leave should be given. Like 7 months pregnant, then they had a miscarried or they had stillborn baby, then employer should provide 9 days paid leave. So according to the number of pregnancy, so such a paid leave should be given. Yeah.
I see. So basically, the 60-day period is the paid period.
Yeah.
And but in this Article 74, number 4, 75 days in the event of carrying 2 or more babies.
Yeah.
So if a pregnant woman has 2 or more babies, she can benefit even 75 paid leave. Is that right?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. So when they have a twin in pregnant, then they have an extra the maternity leave, like in total usually it's 90 days, but they can have additionally 30 more days, so it can be 120 days. So yes, it is true. So yeah, when they deliver the 2 babies, so they need to take care of their the recovering time more. So that's why this section or article provides such additional protection Also, this 90 days actually is protection leave, not the paid leave. The first 6 months is paid leave, so remaining 30 days is unpaid leave. So employer doesn't have to pay, but this remaining 30 days is subsidized by the employment insurance. Yeah.
So if this 30 days is subsidized by the employment insurance, then does the company apply for this, or the pregnant woman should apply for this?
Yeah, pregnant woman should apply for the subsidy to the like job center in labor office. Yeah, they take care of those subsidy. Yeah.
And also, this is in line with the maternity security insurance law. 모자보건법.
Yeah. So there is a special law to protect pregnant women. So in that case, like during the pregnant period, they need to check up their health. So they are allowed to have a necessary time to check examine their body one time each month. So employer should provide such a necessary time for them to take some examination. Yeah.
And this is in line with the Mother and Child Health Act.
Yeah, that's correct.
I see. And also, this Article 74 is also closely connected with Article 74-2, allowing time off for prenatal examination.
Yes,
right?
Yeah, prenatal examination. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. So women, they are very vulnerable and weak during the pregnant period. So even employer cannot, even though they violate company regulation, so company cannot dismiss them. So during this maternity leave period and 30 days before the child care, I mean the child is born, they cannot fire this employee during the maternity leave. Also, even within 30 days after the maternity leave, so then this period is protected from from termination. Yeah.
I see. Well, if we consider this good support by the Labor Standard Act, it's natural that many women should have baby, but nowadays, because of high real estate price and difficulty of raising children, the birth rate in Korea is very low. So I hope that this will improve many women to get married and get more baby for the country. Do you agree?
Yeah. I think through supporting the pregnant woman, so they feel easy to they have the child maternity leave, then I'm sure they relieve their stress. Also, they try to have more babies, like 2 or 3 babies. So government tried to promote them. Even they tried to give a cash gift. So the main reason for why Korea has so low birth rate, there are many reasons, but one of the reasons is too expensive to buy their own house in Korea. Also, it's very hard to find good job. So normally, when they have a good job, so they can easily get married and they try to have some babies. Especially in Sejong City, there are many young couples living. Also, most of them are government employees, so they have a decent job. Also, the price of housing is reasonable, so they have more childbirth rate compared to the other areas. So I think this is some way government, if government subsidize housing issue or try to provide good jobs for young people, then definitely they won't have more babies.
I see. Thank you very much for your comment.
Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.